Okay, hit him, Mama. Hit him. Get it, girlfriend. Get it. You gotta make
Go, Lala, go.
Come on. Get it, come on.
Oh.
It's too hard.
Hit it hard, Delilah.
I'm trying to. That's it.
Okay, well, let's.
No.
You gotta take turns, girlfriend.
Okay, you already knocked the candy out. Let somebody else do it, Delilah.
You gotta take turns. That's what you're supposed to do.
What?
In a minute, when it's your turn again, you can go again.
Okay, come on. Let somebody else go, Mama. Give it to Bubba. Bubba's younger,
You want to
right?
hit it?
Over there.
Who's younger, Bubba or her?
Mariah?
Mariah, go. Go hit. Give me your bag. You don't want to hit? Okay, she don't want to hit. Go, Bubba.
Go, Bubba, go.
Come on, scoot back so Bubba can hit.
Go, Bubba. Hit it.
Delilah.
Yeah, go hit it over there.
Ninja go.
Go. Hit it hard. Don't let go of the stick. Hold on to the stick.
Get back, Mama.
Hit it. Go, Bubba, go. Hit it. Oh.
Hit it hard.
Okay, Gabby's turn.
Mariah, you don't want to hit, baby?
Blindfolder.
Oh, blindfolder.
That's not fair. Cheating.
No. Hit it. This
Go.
swing real fast.
Oh.
Nice bottom.
Son of a gun. Okay.
That's what I told you. Get blindfolder.
Bubba, get over here. Get over here. Yeah, make it go up.
Hit it, Marcus. Hit it. Hit it, Marcus. Hit it. Just hit the
Hold on,
bottom.
Here, Bubba.
Hit it, Marcus. Hit it. Hit the bottom. Hit it.
Babe, just let it all out, babe. There ain't nothing there.
Hit it.
Here, Marcus.
Okay, y'all get your bags and get candy. Come on. Get the candy. Come on. Go. Come on. Get it. I want it. Woohoo. Candy.
Oh,
Remember Batista?
no. I get the
Piece of candy hit you around the head.
That was a one.
Captain Pickles, no.
Get more, Bubba.
Go get more, Bubba.
Fill up the bag.
Captain Pickles gonna eat this candy if y'all leave it here. There's a lot of them little secret gums. A lot. Look, I got a gum over here.
Put it in your bag.
Put it in your bag.
Here. Go pick some candy and put it in your bag. Go get some more. Hurry.
I'm gonna get a lot.
Happy birthday, Delilah.